Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today we'll be teaching you how to design a wedding card using Canva. And then let's head over to our browser. Then you come to your browser here, click on create. Then you create a new design. We're already logged in because this is a subscribed Canva. But then for you as a new user, you can just come in and sign in using your Gmail. And then come here, this is the search button. Then write your wedding card as which you are looking for. Then click on enter, and then you see this is a list of wedding card. This is a wedding card landscape format. This is a wedding card reception card. This is a wedding place card. This is a wedding business card. They just select one. Let's want it landscape like this, and let's wait for it to open. And then on the opening, you see by here, this is a list of templates you have in your Canva. They are unlimited. They are very, very nice. These are a list of templates. Come, scroll down. Click here, you see this is a very nice template for you. And then in this template here, you see these are editable. As you can see, you can scale up. Then you can change. This is save the date. And then you can change here. Let's zoom in by pressing Ctrl and then scroll from your button. Then you can change in like this. Let's move and change the names. Let's change. Let's say we have Robert and Austin. Let's use a smaller N and Austin. This is Robert and Austin. Then change the dates. Their wedding day is on Saturday, which is probably, let's say, 29th of August. Their dates, it doesn't matter like that. And delete. Then their hall session is the New Jewelry Hotel, Mercury. Then anyways, then delete this part. You don't need this part. And then you can change this picture. By changing this picture here, you can, let's go to our folder and let's find the picture. And we can see a picture. Look at, we have a very nice picture here. Let's click on copy. Let's copy this picture here. Copy here. And then let's go to the browser. Let's delete this. And then let's paste. We'll paste it here. This is the image we want to use. And the image have dropped in from here. You can readjust it for it to blend. Just readjust it a bit. Let's see how it will flow. Yes. At this juncture, you have a wedding card. This is very, very simple for you to design. And you can readjust it. It's like this. And let's say you can change this as well to any color of your choice, depending on what you're looking for. Thank you, and subscribe for more of this. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.